Before we close the degree congregation today, I'd like to take this opportunity to pay tribute to our Chair of Council and Pro-Chancellor, Dr. Bridget Towle. This is Bridget's last graduation ceremony as a Member of Council after 19 years of dedicated, committed and selfless service to this university. Bridget is someone who has touched the lives of people past and present and has been a key influence in shaping this university for the future. A pioneer, an inspiration and a guide, not only for me and my predecessors, but for many members of this university. Bridget is the first woman in the history of this institution to have held the posts of Chair of Council and Treasurer. Building upon her distinguished leadership career in industry, where she served as a Managing Director during a period when she was only one of 3 women Managing Directors of public limited companies in the UK. Alongside an outstanding career in industry, Bridget's life has been committed to public service. Soon after she graduated, she spent a year with the voluntary service overseas as a teacher in Uganda, and closer to home, she's made an enormous contribution to girl guiding. She served as Chief Guide and Chair of the Board of what is the country's largest voluntary youth organisation, and she was awarded a CBE in 2001. Bridget holds honorary doctorates from the Universities of Exeter and Loughborough, and she's a Deputy Lieutenant of Leicestershire. At this university, Bridget has presided over a number of landmark moments. She's seen royal visits to the campus, the discovery and reinterment of King Richard III, and the graduation of a Japanese princess. Bridget has championed the cause of this university brilliantly. Her wise counsel and expert insights have shaped this university. Her guidance in roles as Chair of Council and Treasurer have been invaluable, and she's ensured the continued progress of the university through the last 2 decades. This university is indebted to Bridget for giving so much of herself, her time, talent and intellect to ensure that the university builds for the future. We will miss her. Thank you, Bridget.